Who do you wanna see when you're looking in the mirror? Anything you can dream is yours to tailor make. Stepping in different shoes is like a new adventure. So dress it up and mix it up, yeah. Say hello to all the sides of who you are. Never know what you might find. Try it on. You can be who you wanna be. All the possibilities. Come on and try it on.
Happy first birthday, Gaya! Wish ni nanay sa'yo, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at laging magdadasal kay Papa God.
Wish ni tatay sa'yo, maging mabait na bata, saka good health.
We love you!
Happy first birthday, Gaya!
Like you're on a stage, remixing expectations. Just shake it up and live it up, yeah. Say hello to all the sides of who you are. Never know what you might find till you try it on. You can be who you wanna be. All the possibilities. Come on and try.
Happy birthday, Gaya! Sana lumaki kang healthy at saka mabait and may takot sa Panginoon. Paglaki mo, huwag mong kakalimutan na nandito lagi si Lola and Lolo. Ay, pag hindi pala paglaki, hanggang ngayon. Simula ngayon, huwag mong kakalimutan na nandito si Lola and Lolo. I love you.
I love you!
Happy birthday, Gaya!
땅이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트 아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real red hearts that's what I'm on yeah come give me something I can feel don't you want me like I want you baby don't you need me like I need you now sleep
Happy birthday, Gaya!
아파트 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 아파트
Happy birthday, Gaya!
Happy birthday, Gaya!
Appetite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come on, come back, girl, what's up? Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
아파트 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 Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you, get you, get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 I'm on my
Happy
first birthday, Gaya.
Gaya po kasi, ano siya, goddess of earth, mythology. And then yung mayari naman, Viking mythology siya. Yung time na nagbubutis ako na hilig ako sa mga mythology. Tapos, gusto ko rin siya i-parehas yung initials niya sa pangalan. Kaya mayari. Sabihan ko siya noon na kapag babae, ganito pangalan, pag lalaki, ganito. Tapos nung sinabi ko na kapag babae, Gaya mayari yung pangalan. Sabi niya, ang galing, parang may superpowers. Compare sa kuya niya, mas matapang siya. Tsaka mas malakas kumain.
Sa akin naman guys, mas sweet siya kaysa kay Blythe. Kasi mas malapit sa ako. Yun lang po siguro pinagkaiba niya. Message ko po kay Gaya is, mag-isip lang siya anak and then makinig palagi sa amin.
Sana maging mas maging sa yung may takot sa Diyos, tsaka sana sipagan niya din sa pag-aaral.
Pagka napanood mo to, ito yung pinag-andalan sa birthday mo. Sana ma-appreciate at ka sa nagdadaan sa'yo. Paano pa namin. We love you, Gaya.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy.
Happy birthday, Gaya!